am getting ready to go for a trike ride. Big surprise. I'm here with my friend Dave. Getting ready, get his shoes on. And we have driven out to a small town called Yeka, and we're going to be doing a loop around Pioneertown. And I think this ride is going to be something around 20 miles. It's a little bit cooler here than it is in Palm Springs. It's just about 60 degrees, very light winds. This area is well known for big winds, so it's very lucky that we're here on a day that's calm. So yeah, let's go for a trike ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so we are on our way, and the first few miles is going to be uphill. I think there's about 1,700 feet of climbing. We're going to be riding through some cliffs, like a little gorge area, and it's all desert out here. And I'm trying something a little bit different. I left my microphone at home, and even though I have a wireless microphone with me, the batteries are pretty low on those, so I'm going to do this ride without an external microphone and see how it sounds. Maybe it'll keep me from talking so much. It's already getting to be a very interesting landscape. All these different areas of the desert have a different topography. It's all sparse, dry, kind of a severe look, but it has a lot of beauty in its own way. Had a big climb, about 1,700 feet. My heart rate was like 160, even with the electric assist. And we've come to our first stop, which is Pioneertown. It's a little touristic western town. I think they do movies here. They have movie sets. Everyone that's here passed us on the road, so we probably get some nods of recognition. Oh, I don't know how to get through here. Yeah, this is a no drone zone. Hi there. Oh, yeah, we did. We made it. Thank you. The wild, wild west. Pioneertown, California. Doesn't really look like much is open, but it's still fun to walk around, ride around. I don't know where Dave went off to. He's got the drone. I was thinking about flying here, but drones and horses and trikes really do not mix. But maybe I can fly it a little bit more on our ride. It's okay, buddy. Oh, you're a beaut. So this is all Joshua trees. We're very close to Joshua's Tree National Park. This area is called Peeps Canyon. It's had a nice downhill. It looks like we've got some climbing ahead of us, and I'm kind of expecting another 1,000 feet of climbing, so I am not surprised. Lost my drone today. I was using the beacon, and somehow or another it got lost here. I mean, there's nothing here. This is like a perfect place to fly the drone. No one, nothing, and somehow or another it got lost. So this has been a very eventful ride. Had a drone with me when I started, and I do not have a drone with me now. We've turned onto a little bit busier road here, but it's got a huge shoulder on it. Wow, that was exciting. I got up to 37 miles an hour coming down that hill, and it's a pretty busy highway, and I had to take the lane because the shoulder was really a wreck, and it felt unsafe riding. Like I just wasn't gonna be able to keep control of the trike, and so we just took the lane. And now we're on a quieter road, sunny side. The moose.
We made it.
We made it, Dave. It's always fun to go and fun to come back.
It is. Let me get out of the way here a little bit.
Well, we've just had a really good ride. You know, I started this ride with a drone and ended it without a drone. That is kind of a bummer. That I'm going to talk to the company about and see if it's something they recognize. Maybe they can help me find it or help me get a new drone, but we will see. Okay, so I'm out here with Dave the next day to find the drone, and I discovered that there's a Find My Drone map on the phone, and it took us right to it. It was just like right here in this bush. And how is it damaged, Dave? Does it look damaged?
No damage. Well, it's scratched a little bit. It landed in one of those grab you bushes.
Wow.
And look how close we were. We walked yesterday. So close to it.
Yes, we walked really close here yesterday. We were on both sides of the street because with the beacon, it actually connected to the drone yesterday. but we just had no way of knowing where it was. It could have been on one side of the street, it could have been on the other side of the street, and here it was, just like right next to the road. I'm super excited that we found the drone, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see if it works now. I got it back to the trailer. I've taken a look at it, and it doesn't appear that there's any damage. I won't know until I try it. Fortunately, I wasn't able to try it out on the road because it had been recording for so long, the SD card was full. So now I'm gonna give it a try and just see how it flies. All right, let's get this bird in the air. Wow, so far so good. Clearly sees me. Let's try doing an orbit. Look, it's avoiding the trailer. Yeah, amazing. It's really great. So let's have it come closer now. 3, 2, 1, landing. All right, so I think I got very lucky today. There's no damage to the drone. It's flying perfectly. I didn't even have to change out any of the props. And any day that you lose a drone and find your drone is a great day, and that there's no damage to it is just fantastic. And so my drone lives to fly another day. Woohoo!